Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to send PDF file in Gmail. Sending documents through email is a common task, but sometimes attaching files like PDF can be a bit tricky, so let's start the video. First, open your Gmail account. Now click on the Compose button in the top left corner of the screen to start a new email. To attach a PDF file, look for the Paperclip icon. Once you click on it, a File Explorer window will pop up. Navigate to the location on your computer where your PDF file is stored. It's on desktop. Select the PDF file you want to attach and click on Open button. It's uploading. Now you will see that PDF file is attached to your email. Here you can see the PDF file details. It's 154 KB. Now add the recipient's email address, a subject line and a message you want to include, and then click on Send button. So that's how to send PDF file through Gmail. Thanks for watching.